The legacy of Mr. Jinnah. How did Jinnah's example influence subsequent Pakistani leaders? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, born in 1876 and died in 1948, a chief political leader in India, established Pakistan and served as the first governor-general in this region. His great leadership abilities earned him such names as Great Leader and Father of the Nation. Additionally, the dates of his birth and death are celebrated as national holidays in Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born in a family of 7 children. Muhammad Jinnah struggled in school as he aimed for stability. In 1887, he went to work for Graham's Shipping and Trading Company. In 1894, after moving to London, his young wife died. He quit his job and decided to study law at Lincoln's Inn, a legal association which helped students pass the bar. Graduated in 1896. During this time period, he was introduced to politics and the British Parliament. After watching the egotism of British leaders, he returned to Bombay and began a very successful career as a lawyer. Jinnah joined the Indian National Congress in 1896. At the time, Jinnah still believed the influence of the Crown had a positive impact on education, law, culture, and industry. In 1916, after joining the All Indian Muslim League, he became the first president of the political organization. He went on to create the Lucknow Pact, which brought together the Indian Congress and League. The importance of this alliance created a united front to the British. Jinnah married his second wife, Rudy, in 1918. They had a daughter in 1919 and named her Dinah. In 1918, Mohandas Gandhi emerged as a leader in India. He believed that nonviolent civil disobedience was the way for Indians to achieve independence. However, Jinnah believed that constitutional struggle would bring about independence. In 1920, Jinnah was warning the Indian people that Gandhi's method of mass struggle would lead to divisions between Hindus and Muslims and within the two communities. During the time period of 1927 to 1927, Jinnah continued to negotiate with Muslim and Hindu leaders regarding a future constitution. However, as political negotiations deteriorated, Jinnah and his wife divorced. Moreover, he decided to quit politics and return to England to practice once again. In 1934, Jinnah returned to India and politics, whereby Jinnah concluded that Muslims needed a separate state to protect their rights. Furthermore, he said, it is a dream that the Hindus and Muslims can ever evolve a common nationality. This political view would become known as the two nations theory, which states how has become the official Pakistani narrative for the creation of the state and key to how Pakistan defines itself. Jinnah said Hindus and Muslims belong to two different religious philosophies, social customs, and literary traditions. They neither intermarry nor eat together, and indeed they belong to two different civilizations which are based mainly on conflicting ideas and conceptions. According to Secular Karam, the author of How Jinnah's Ideology Shapes Pakistan's Identity, said Pakistan was perhaps the first country to be formed on the basis not of a common ethnicity or religion or language but religion. Days before the partition, Jinnah said, "You are free to go to your mosque or to any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed. That has nothing to do with the business of the state." A year after Pakistan achieved independence, Jinnah passed away from lung cancer. While he wanted Pakistan to be a modern Islamic state, his ideology never fully materialized. Many subsequent Pakistani leaders have continued to follow Jinnah's belief in a modern Islamic state for Pakistan. While unrest and political divide remain a permanent fixture of Pakistan, Jinnah's desire to equal rights for all the conversation and work to progress leaders and religion. This is my reference page.